Good morning Nairobi, good morning Kenya. JK Josh hapa aka Mzururaji. Today I feel so energetic, I feel so much energy in me. It's around 5:30 a.m. and I'm about to take a hike kuzurura Kenya to Eburu Forest, Nakuru County, here we come. So today is gonna be amazing, and I know it's gonna be a challenging moment for me because it's been long since I took a hike. So just can't wait, and I can't wait to show you how this day is gonna plan out. So come follow me, let's go.
Nigga, wool up, just wool up.
Oi. What your cat? Honest to God, I've never been through a hike so difficult, eh? But then I need to work on my stamina. This has been the most physically challenging hike. Yeah, so msisikie Eburu mkaidharau. Eburu. What they're showing me? Msisikie Eburu mkaidharau. It's a tough hike. I'm gonna make it through. So right now I'm just catching a breath and then I keep going. Yeah, strong all the way to the finish.
2,000 years later.
Good evening, Nairobi, Kenya. This right here marked the beginning of the hike, Eburu Forest. It's been mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Yani, there was a point I was calling God, yani, like, God, come through. Then I was getting these visions, yani, visions of ugali skuma, as you're passing through these trails and you would see villages. Then you would see the plantations of the skuma. At that point I would feel like, you know, I'd give anything just to get a plate of ugali and a plate of just skuma, yani. I was so hungry, yeah? So it's been 6 hours, 6 to maybe 7 hours for us. starting at this point all the way around and closing the circuit of Eburu. And I'd say this is a big thank you to Hike Maniac. You guys should actually check them out. They are pretty good at what they do. Yeah, it's an amazing opportunity. If you're seated in the office, if you have no life, goodness, just breathing the dirty air of Nairobi, I mean, this is the time. Pick up your feet and get out there. Be an outdoor person. Kabisa. Right, if you just come with me, come close. You're wondering what are the charges for Eburu Forest. I tell you, if you're driving, fine, that's up to you. Put your own fuel, but if you're coming up with a group, it's roughly maybe 2,000 to 3,000, and everything would include So yeah, it's payable at the Kenya Forest Service office by M-Pesa only. Yeah, or you can send the money to me. Yeah. So yeah, it's been lovely. From this point, we say adios.